Dwaro bende koro nitiere mar mondo mi sirikal mamalo one kanyo eko ni oketo tim chik marito kanyo eko jogo eko boro jatichgi e pacho kaendi. Mano en kwayo mogol kanyo endo kod moko kuom jokedi ratich oganda mantiere e kaunti ma Kisumu kotelnegi kanyo endo kod migosi Collins Kodhek. E kinde mabende odiochieng' ma kawuono ni endi ne gichung' kod jogo mane rikoro jatichgi kod obila e kaunti dendo ma Kisumu. E kindego jogo bende mane rikoro kanyo ratichgi kod obila mano chwalo kanyo kod magina bende koro kwayo mondo mi one kanyo koni fuok manyalo bedo mondo mi odin ma bende mi ketnegi rageng' mar yudo omenda ma bende chiwre ji mano yudo midhiero e kinde ng'anyo mane tim pacho kaendi e higa mar 2020 to kod 4.
Today we have gathered as activists, survivors of police abuse of power in their families, community members, members of the clergy, to express our solidarity with survivors and families of police violence in this country from years before, and to add our voice to the ongoing conversation about reparations and about justice for victims and survivors of police violence. We acknowledge the commitment by the President to compensate survivors and victims of police violence occasioned during the 2024 and 2025 protests, but we are saying that this should just be the beginning of the journey. Acknowledge that there have been violence before in 2017, in 2007 and years before, and that these people also deserve justice. We are concerned with the cases which are stuck at IPOA and in court on police abuse of power, which are not progressing. We are also concerned that the compensation by the President might not meet the commitment he made, because up to now the register of the people who they shortlisted for the compensation remains a secret. Survivors and their families have not been contacted. We fear that this might take the trend that occasioned the cases of 2007, where the lists were later on corrupted and the families were not compensated. But we are saying that it should not end at compensation. These families deserve justice. Police who committed these acrimonies should be brought to book, and that the President owes this country an apology and a commitment that a repeat of the same will not happen.
I'm a survivor of police abuse of power. No amount of money can compensate can bring back the lives that were lost. But what we are asking, or we are requesting for the government, is that the government to operationalize Victim Protection Act and to ensure that people within the country of Kenya do not get to disappear and never to be heard from again.
I am a survivor of Kisumu Kondele ward. Kuna evidence zangu nilishapeleka IPOA na bado sijapata haki. Nataka niongee na President William Ruto, kama anaweza kutupatia hizo pesa tufanye nao vitu zetu, because tangu hao watu wanipige bado siwezi kufanya kitu yenye nilikuwa nafanya kama bado hawajanipiga. Wameniacha na disability.